Hello, my name is Rupendas. I'm a student of Masai School in the software development batch. Currently, I'm in revision unit. So today in my DS assignment, I need to explain two questions and I need to code two problems. So the first question I want to pick is question number 9, which is Masai sentence reversal. So in that question, there's an input. I have given a string and I need to like reverse the string. Like I need to just change the order of that words so that it look like this. Like the first word will be at last and the last word will be at first. So let's start the question. So I have given a string. So I will convert it into an array. Input dot split. So as we can see, I have converted an array. Now I will get the index numbers. So if I console it, input, I can see I'm getting as a form of array and I'll get the array index. So now this index is 0, this is 1, 2, and 3. Now it's very easy to like, now I can just reverse that let's take one variable, let result, where I'll add the each word. Okay. So for let I equal 0, I'll start from last so that I can get the reverse order. So I equal to input dot length -1, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Now I'll add the words like input of I, and then I am adding extra space because there is some extra space in here. So okay, now let's console the output. So yes, I'm getting the reverse order. If I submit the code, it's passing all the test cases. So the next question I want to explain is question number 6, which is number of possible buys. So here I need to calculate the consecutive days of like consecutive previous days where if I could have buy that stock. Like currently, suppose my day is 7, my day is 4. Suppose this is 4. So I'm currently in day 4. So if I could have bought that stock one day earlier also, then it also would be would be benefited for me. So just I need to print how many days, consecutive days before I could have buy that stocks. So for example, suppose in that input, like if I assume that current day is day number 3, that is the stock price is 60. So if we could have buy earlier, that if one day earlier its price is 80, so it's better I have not bought. So like that for that 70, one day earlier the price was less. So just uh, I need to calculate how many consecutive days their price was less. So for 70, one day was less, and I need to add the current day also. So 2. The answer would be 2 for 7. For that 60, my answer will be 1 because there is no consecutive value which is lesser than that. So this is my question. So let's start the question. So the input is given in the form of string, and first is test case. Okay, input equal to input dot string dot split by, okay, then let t equal to input of 0. Input of 0, I can directly call it to number. Okay, then n. Okay, for let's take a line for the multiple test case equal to 1. Let's take a uh, loop k which is equal to 0, k less than t, k plus plus or increment. Now I'll find the n. So let n equal to number of input of line, that is input number of line 1. Input is 1. Okay, so next let array. So here input of line plus 1 dot stream dot split dot map. I'll convert all the numbers into numbers. Okay, so and then I need to increase the line, that is equal to 2. So now let's go for the main coding part, which is I need to find the how many days earlier that is lesser than. So let's take a for loop. Let I equal to 0 and I less than n I plus plus. Okay. Next, another loop for counting how many days is earlier is less. So let j equal to j will start from I and then I'll reverse it. Like if j is greater than 0, because I need to find the previous. So j minus minus. Okay. So now uh, if my array of I is is greater or equal to array of j, then what I'll print, then I'll let's take one counter here and then let count equal to 0. I'll increase the count. If there is equal or above, then I'll increase my count. Count pass plus. Okay. Next, so if it is not found that the previous continuous elements are not found, then I'll simply break the loop. Okay. So now, and let's take a result to print the result. Let's result equal to I need to print in string. So let's take an empty string and okay, break, and now I'll print result into result plus all the count, and I can add one string or empty string, empty like space, and now if I print console result I equal to 0 less than n at line number 12 0. Okay, I'm getting the same 0. Okay, I'm not getting the same answer. 1 1 2 1 4 6 1 1 1. Why am the first one I'm getting 0? Let me check 0 and I. Okay, I need to print equal also. Okay, now I'm getting the answer and all the test cases has passed. So this is the two question of my assignment I have explained. Thank you.